If you're an experienced insurance agency owner, you've probably already figured out how to make income in your business and maybe create a certain level of time freedom. Most insurance agency owners stop there. They've not created the life and the lifestyle outside of work that they most enjoy. They've not created a business that's going to have a legacy that lives beyond their life. And they've not yet lived their life in a way that is in alignment with their legacy for their personal life and what they want to leave behind to their loved ones. There's so much more you can be doing in your business if you have a team around you and you intentionally create this situation. My father is a 48-year insurance agent with State Farm, and for the last 3 years, he's been studying for his CHFC. He just passed it. He's 82 years old. And he's been able to, for the last 3 years, in fact, longer, to show up to his agency 1 day per month and be there for an open house. And other than that, be focused on him growing as a professional while his team members are hitting the life and the health and the property and casualty goals for the agency. Extremely well compensated, extremely well treated. Everybody's happy. And so much of this has come because he's clear about what he wants to do in his goals and his dreams. And we've helped the team members get clear with that on themselves as well. I'm hosting a workshop that I'm going to share with you how you can start creating this type of intentional insurance agency where your personal life and your business life, your 20-year goals for those, are at the center of what everything operates around. And right there with that is also the legacy you want to leave behind. I'm 54 years old, and for years, I've run my business like a lifestyle business. And for a lot of people, what that means is I've made enough to make sure I can enjoy my family, my friends, and for the most part, almost a little selfish to the point where as long as I'm making enough, I'm going to go ahead and take more time off, coach my daughter's volleyball team, spend 30 hours a week coaching high school volleyball, and then work about 20 hours a week, and I'm happy. But one of the things I've started to realize is when I do my work at my highest level, it makes a significant impact on other people's lives. And so I want to know that after I pass away, that there's some ripple or positive echo of the work I've done that lives on and continues to positively impact other people's lives. That has encouraged me in my 50s to now really recommit to being excellent and awesome in my work. I watched my father do that at 82, getting a CHFC and wanting to help his clients with their financial goals and dreams and do that at a much higher level than he's ever done before. And I'm hoping that for you, you're interested in looking at whatever it is that's your legacy project, the thing that you're going to leave behind, whether it's books that you write for your family, sharing wisdom, whether it's a podcast you do to help other business owners in your area grow, whether it's simply helping your team members have awesome lives and do a great job for your customers and have those ripples positively impact the rest of the community and people around you. So I invite you to this workshop, and I'm going to share with you how you can start doing this and in a positive way, still be very grateful for what you have and enjoy where you're at, but also realize how powerful of an instrument a multi-line insurance agency is and all the different impact you can create with that without worrying about if anybody else gives you permission or what's going on in the economy or the politics or anything else, where you can just say, look, I'm doing my thing. One of the things that's really helped me is with all the different conversations about things going on in the world I can't control, I know when I go out and coach my daughter's high school volleyball and beach volleyball teams that I'm making a positive impact in those young ladies' lives. I can control that. There's many things I can't control. I focus my energy on what I can. So I hope to see you at this workshop, hope to help you start creating your vision of what it could look like and then start filling in the pieces. It's not that difficult. It simply requires you to start focusing your attention. The same way years ago you decided you weren't willing to be simply an employee, you wanted something more. We're going to help you look at how you can create a life and a business that's far beyond where you currently are and possibly beyond your wildest dreams. Go ahead and look at the information below. Let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing you at the event.